Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today we are playing Frigid Dusk.
Frigid Dusk.
You have to cut everything I say. And we have a special guest. We have Certified Suitman. We have a special guest.
We have another.
Oh yeah. Hello guys, hello.
Certified Suitman.
I'd like to introduce myself as Suitman. Cause I'm a Suitman.
He's basically part of a group, but
he doesn't have the deep in his name. So
he just doesn't really
he's
much.
An adopted bacon. He's an adopted bacon.
Yeah, let's get straight.
Let's get into it, guys.
3 weeks later.
Okay, guys, we're in the game. I think.
No.
We're on the game, guys.
Skip.
We're all
Skip?
straight.
Oh man.
Oh my goodness.
We're in a special operation right now.
Yo, I think we're special. I think we're doing this
What?
people up. It's 1966, bro.
We're special.
1966. Jeez, how old
What is
is
it?
Apache?
I'm lagging.
Bro, I feel like.
Yo, who's driving the plane?
You mean the helicopter?
Who's driving the thing, yeah?
Oh yeah, you're right.
It's our allies that are driving.
It's an Apache helicopter. Yo, this
Nah, bro, I didn't
is actually
know that.
kind of realistic for a Roblox game, not gonna lie. It's an Apache helicopter.
Why is it inside of the pool? Like, why am I inside of the plane?
Please tell me I have a gun. I want a gun. Please tell me I have a gun.
We don't have guns. Chat, we're equipped.
Oh, what the hell?
They gave us
Where
a
you guys at?
and a flashlight.
I just fell through the ground.
Guys, they just gave me a lantern and a flashlight. I don't know how to do it.
Where are you guys?
I have no idea where you guys are at.
Where are you guys?
Wait.
We're in the cave.
I'm going in a
You guys are.
Something coins.
campsite. I don't know what's happening.
Yo, the
I got
Apache.
dropped off from a Apache
Yo, I'm
helicopter.
going to the cave. I'm going to a cave.
Where are you?
I'm heading to a cave.
Oh, I see you.
Yo,
I see.
I see Austin.
Wait.
Yo, I see you guys.
Yo.
Wait, hold up. Wait, look at my graphics up.
Yo, look at the footsteps. This is actually kind of cool.
Oh, they have footsteps. Let's go.
Why the hell?
Michael
my PC
Jackson.
cannot handle that?
Okay, where'd he go?
Yo, what's on the floor? Gold.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. We're losing them.
Right is always
Yeah, we're
straight. Never mind.
No, it's always left is always left. What do you mean? Oh, there's money. Money.
Never mind.
Money.
Always.
Oh. Left is always left.
Left is
What about middle?
Right is always right.
Messi is the GOAT.
Alright, so
Nah, bro. He's not the GOAT.
Messi is the GOAT. I don't know what you're talking about.
That's like honestly debatable, bro.
I don't believe this because he's gonna win this World Cup.
Bro, they're getting paid. Argentina's getting paid by the refs.
She
bro.
just goated.
What?
It's actually technically illegal to bribe a ref,
I know, but like, you know what? Never mind.
especially for an international sport.
We're back outside, guys.
Oh,
No,
We're back outside.
Go back in.
Are we-
Go back in.
I've been thinking the only place we haven't went to is the middle, so we should probably go to the middle.
Right is always right.
those are right.
Middle is always middle.
Right is always right.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you're in.
Always the middle. It's always the middle, bro.
It's always
Look,
the right.
middle is
Right.
straight down. Look, I'm gonna fall.
Right is wrong.
What? It is the middle. It is the middle.
What? Oh, I'm gonna go here.
I was
I
wrong.
was at lost
What?
trail.
Where you guys? Come over here.
All right, we're going right.
No.
I don't see what's scary about this thing. Though.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Besides,
Left is always left. Let's go.
wait, is that gold?
I just put I'm lighting up my lantern.
I
I
deserve
lit
it.
it up.
I already lit mine up.
Ooh, money.
Left is always wrong. Right is always right.
What's that?
Well, I think I found a way.
Yo, I
Yo.
think you might have.
Yo, guys, I think I found something.
Yo, you've been playing this game.
Oh, it's me.
Oh, guys, we found the. Yo, Kano, stop, bro. You're gonna get me killed.
Yeah, stop it. Alejandro.
Guys, I opened the door.
Yo, whoa.
Whoa, 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 what was that? What was that?
Look at this.
What's that?
No, there's
Austin,
something
what'd you
happening
do?
in there. There's definitely something happening in there.
Guys, here's the elevator. That's the
Oh,
elevator.
An elevator, you're right. Wait a minute.
Oh, I played this before, yeah.
Yeah, I feel like you played this before.
Alright. To the door.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Okay, now we're coming in the door.
I think I know what's happening. I think I know what's happening.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay.
Guys, we need to repair the generator.
Wait, this is a new area?
Oh, yeah, we need to repair the generator.
Let me spit.
No, that door's locked.
Is there something in here?
It's probably a key somewhere.
What's here?
Oh,
Oh, wait, something's over here.
now
Who's going first?
that's something a stupid person would go
It's
to.
on my man.
Okay. Oh, we're stupid.
Hold up.
What's that?
Wait,
No, 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 no. Cat, we're stuck. Cat, we're stuck.
My friends!
Yo, my head.
Oh, wait.
Nah, I got killed,
I
bro.
could've sworn I just watched
Look
you guys
at
die.
Alejandro's dead body, bro. He got ripped in half. Oh my gosh. What'd you do?
I'm dead again. I'm dead again, bro. I'm dead again. Okay, somebody, new plan, somebody has to distract it, bro. See how smart I am? Somebody else obviously has to distract it.
I would do it, cause I'm a man.
I'm the door man.
Yo, where's he at? Where's he at? Where he at?
You see him?
I see him. Hey yo, hey yo, fake back. Hey yo, BBT. BBT, I'm talking to you, boy. Yo, BBT, oh crap.
How do we get out?
Guys, we can
Yeah, he's got my neck. He's got my neck.
I see it.
Is this door open? No,
I
it's
just saw
not.
it.
Oh my gosh, I
I saw it right.
Yes, open it, open it, open it. I cannot open that.
Guys, I'll distract you.
Oh my gosh, I see him.
Can I come out?
Distract you guys. Oh, I closed it on time.
I'm not in the elevator.
Okay, guys.
Z.
What now? Oh, hell no.
I learned it can open.
How do you open the door? It probably has a brake. Probably actually has a brake. That's actually surprising. It has a brake.
Oh, I get
It's a
it.
generator, I don't know what that does.
Oh, we probably have to click this. Oh, everybody probably has to be in here. Hey, well, everybody come over here.
No, I think it's broken.
Oh, everybody get in here.
It doesn't work.
Christian, where you at?
We have to fix more generators.
Oh, we need
Run.
a generator.
Really? I didn't know about that. Alright, well, I'm going in.
Come on, I
You came this close.
guys, that scared me so
That scared the life out of me, bro. It scared the life out of
Did you
me.
hear my giant scream?
Control room?
Come on. What's happening here? He's opening the door.
Oh, frick!
Get that thing. I'm closing the door.
Actually, I think I unlocked the control room.
Mate, what are you doing?
It's chasing me. chasing me.
Chat, I'm doing something.
Oh,
No,
I'm doing something, bro. Don't come in. Do not open the doors, bro.
okay, it's in there.
Are you ringing?
It's in there.
Who's the freak? Who is that?
Bro, how get me? How get me there? How's that even possible? Oh, laboratory?
Alright. Alright, I did one, guys. I did one.
Oh
I finished that.
my goodness, it's in the spawn point. It's in the spawn point area.
Alright, let it camp there, let it camp there.
Nope, not anymore.
Oh crap, it's coming for me. I'm doing ringing around the rosy with it.
No.
I'm saying, don't go that way. Oh my gosh, Ashton. Wait, was that Ashton? Did I kill Ashton?
What's that?
I just saw.
I hate you so much. I don't want to die.
Alright, I'm going back.
Yeah.
Where's he at? Oh my.
Where is he? Oh no.
I'm stuck.
We still gotta fix a couple more things.
He's right there.
I lost it.
Almost had a heart attack, bro.
Bro, it makes me scream every time it gets me. I don't know why.
I just got a jump scare from him, bro. I literally got a jump scare.
Bro, I think we fixed everything.
Gosh.
I don't know what else
We need the laboratory. Oh my gosh. Open this door. Then open the door.
Well,
I killed, bro. I'm going back out because I'm a man. I'm not a man. No, I'm a man. Where's he at? Where's Silmer? No, he's not. He's not chasing me.
really?
He's stuck.
Yeah, no, we haven't done it yet.
Oh, he's stuck. Yeah, he is stuck.
I found security. Navigation security.
He's not.
I don't really care about that.
Oh my gosh, I didn't see him, bro.
This is a security room.
Bro, this man is
Oh, no,
scaring me.
why
He's scaring me.
Oh
my
my
gosh.
gosh!
This man. Oh my gosh.
Where's the control room at?
He's gay. He's gay.
Laboratory!
He's gay.
Wait, I found a laboratory!
Look on, where's the other?
I found a laboratory, but we need like a...
We need the other computer. Open door. Open door. Open door. I quit, guys. I quit. Yo. I see.
Oh, I found the control room! It's right there!
I know, but I don't know why I need to look for something that can destroy that.
Alright. Oh my. What?
Oh, hell no! Oh, hell no! Oh, shit! Oh, no!
What's bunk?
Bunk? I don't know. We have to find it.
Oh my god. That's not good. Oh my god. Yo. You want me in, bro?
He's in.
Yo. Ooh,
No,
what's up?
Oh, I just saw Austin die.
We're gonna die. We're gonna die. We're gonna die, bro. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Yo, what's up, bro? You cool with us? Bro, he's cool with the plan. He's chill. He's chill. Yo, you chill, right? Yo. Oh, he's not chill. Yo, guys, we got him stuck.
Yeah, I know where it is. I'm trying to find it. First of all.
Yeah.
Wait, I should switch it to the bunk room again. Switch it to the bedroom again. Oh, 4. I found a number. It says 4 on it. Oh, frick.
Nice part, first part of the page.
Oh, the hatchet.
Guys, grab the hatchet.
The hatchet. Me and Austin found a hatchet. Frick this. Oh, this how you. Oh. Shit.
Over there.
Actually, is it on the control room?
See something cool? Stuff cool? I'm keeping that.
Control room. What's awesome? Control room right here.
For reals? Easy, bro. Easy. Easy.
Why
You
is it-
glitching, bro.
What's it working?
Christian, we glitched the NPC, we glitched the monster into the elevator. God, we're good. That thing's stuck in the elevator.
It's in the control room.
We need control. I got
Over.
this, boys. Yeah, boys. Easy.
Oh, look the code. So,
9?
okay,
There's
there's a
9?
number.
No, there's a number in there as well.
There's 4?
7. It's 7.
Wait,
No, the
4 is
first
the third.
number is
4
1.
the third. What 4?
4 is the third. 1, 4. So 1, question mark 4.
No, 4 is the second.
No, 4 is the third one. Oh, no.
Need-
Yeah, no, 4 is the third one, I think.
No, look, it's in between the slashes. See, that's the second.
Oh, yeah, so the third one, we just need the third one now.
Where's the third one?
So it's a 3-digit number then. So 1, 4. 149! 149, because right here, look, right here, there's a note right here. It says 149. What are you talking about?
What are you guys talking about? Guys, why
Oh,
is
but no,
this dead
there,
body?
We need E1. What,
oh, the
what's in that
laboratory's
book?
open. The laboratory's open now.
You say we need to eat one, Christian.
We need, break this.
I got you.
So we need door E1. Bro.
Bro, who closed it? Bro, who's in it?
I
Everybody.
don't know who's idiot.
Oh,
Who's these twins?
what?
Correct.
Okay. Oh, I
got
think we have to
that
make
attached.
him mad. Wait, whoever did that, do it again. There. What? What's happening? Laboratory, books, I don't care. No other laboratories. There's another laboratory over here.
The other facility.
I got one.
I got the whole thing. I did the whole
Oh
thing.
wait. You did it. Is E1 open?
No, I did it. You didn't do
It's
shit.
open.
Guys, me and Christian glitched out the
Well, it is.
NPC.
No, guys, that was all me. I did all of it.
Me and Christian
G1.
glitched out the NPC, right, Christian? glitch.
Yeah.
We made the NPC glitch into the elevator.
We have containment open.
Yeah, that thing's stuck. It's not coming out.
Oh my gosh. Nope. Guys, run.
There's another
Oh my
one.
gosh. Guys, there's another one. There's another one, bro.
Another one. Hey, it's not chasing us.
No wonder why I said containment, bro.
Christian, it's not. It's
Is
not
it
chasing.
different? Is it different?
Oh, Christian, it left the elevator.
It's bigger.
Oh my gosh, it's chasing us. It's chasing us. It's chasing us.
Take it to the elevator.
It's chasing us.
Why is it stronger? Why is it stronger and bigger?
I don't know.
Why is it bigger and faster?
I don't know.
You're in a zesty walk. That's all we need to know.
Oh my goodness, I see it. I see it.
Ooh.
Where is it?
Where's
Right
the
in front
fool
of
at?
us.
I'm taking it to the elevator.
Yo, fool.
It's in the security.
Let's go. Yo, yeah, boy. Come here, boy.
Is it glitch?
Yeah.
Is it glitch?
Not.
You won. Wait,
It is.
you won?
Made it switch.
What's in here?
Like this phone.
It was the second option.
Oh my gosh, it did not. It's not glitch. It's not glitch anymore. It's not glitch anymore.
We have to find it. We have to find stuff.
I'm gonna get some chips, bro. Be right back.
What? Bro's eating on the job. Security? Okay, let's see. Hey, he likes to fart a lot. He's better than me. What? What is that? Oh.
We did it,
What?
guys. We did it. We
Wait,
left
how do we
Ashley
do it?
tonight on a minute.
End of part 1.
Why isn't Austin streaking?
Guys, it's time to do part 2.
Alright, no, we're not doing part 2.
No. Sure.
Alright, thank you for watching the video, guys.
Thank you for watching the video, guys.
Thank you for watching the video, guys. Bye.
Enjoyed it.
No, hold up. If this gets 10 likes or more, we'll do a part 2.
Yeah. If it gets 10 likes, we'll do part 2. Thank you for watching, and